This is how to fix the error code EA227 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar 30i system boiler, this problem is likely caused by your boiler not registering a flame. This could be an issue with the gas valve unit, or it could be a blockage in the siphon. If temperatures are extremely low, it could be that your condensate discharge pipe is frozen. The fault could also indicate damage to the flame electrode, the ignition leads, or possibly a water leak inside your boiler unit. First, let's start by turning your boiler off at the mains. The switch will look like this and is usually within arm's length of the boiler position. Once you've done this, we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below.